Take a ride in the 2014 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, battery saver, cruise control, multifunction display, power steering, retained accessory power. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.